This is cousin, and this is how it's set up at the back of my computer. Let's have a look at these uplinks. Uplink 10 is a green one, 14 is a blue one. Now, uplink 10 again, it's in VLAN 1008. Uplink 14 is in VLAN 1012. Now, 1008 represents the A subnet, 1012 represents the 12 subnet. I'll flip this around so it looks better. Now let's go over to Hanover. And Hanover, as you can see, is the green and the red, and they are also VLAN 1016 and 1020, 18 and 22 respectively. Finally, data center is the purple cable, and that will connect to our data center here. But that's entirely up to you. I'm just going to show you how it's done, and you can use it to build a good lab. So let's go over and start configuring these routers in order that they can speak to Curzon and Hanover respectively. Thank you.